Hi friends, this is Barbara and I am back with another crockpot recipe. This is going to be shrimp and sausage jambalaya in the crockpot. Okay, we're starting off with one package of andouille smoked sausage, or use your favorite sausage. We want this to taste good, so use your favorites, okay? We are going to fry this up until it turns brown on both sides. Okay, we are going to spray down our crock pot. We're going to add 3 cups of chicken broth. Okay, 3 cups of chicken broth. Then we are going to go ahead and add our seasonings, which will be, well, first let's move on to this. Here, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup diced, 1 bell pepper diced. Then we are going to do 2 stalks of celery diced. We're going to dice that up and move this to the side. Okay, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon, there we go. Cut the camera. All right, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of Cajun Creole, which is right here. 2 tablespoons. Okay, there's 1. And then there's 2. That smells so good. All right. And then 2 tablespoons of paprika. Ooh. Heavy-handed on the paprika, obviously. Okay, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. This has a lot of seasonings in it. Okay. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okie dokie. And then we're going to put a tablespoon of, oh, this is a lot. Okay, a tablespoon of tomato paste. I had to behave myself. Okay, my hands are clean because I'm cooking. Where did that go? There it is. I don't know. I just got to mash up that tomato paste. Okay, and then what we're going to do is put some Italian seasoning. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Ooh. 2 tablespoons of rice. You're supposed to do the par rice, but I don't have that. So we're just going to go ahead with Asian rice. And stir it up. That smells amazing. And I haven't, well, actually I do have my crock pot on high. And do you remember those andouille sausage that we fried up? Yeah, we're going to throw those in there. And we're going to stir that up. Okie dokie. All right, so now we're going to put a lid on it. My lid. Here it is. it's a hot mess. My surroundings are a hot mess because this took so many ingredients, but it's going to be very tasteful and very delicious. Turn it on high and come back in an hour. Okay, we are an hour into our 2-hour cook, but now I need to drop in the shrimp. I love shrimp. I am doing this for my son's birthday. So this is all the seasoning on top. There's nothing wrong with that. Stir in your shrimp. So, yes, we like the extra shrimp. So I am modifying it. Instead of 1 pound, we're going 2 pounds. Okay, let's take a peek. I just really want to taste the grain of that rice. I need to keep an eye on stuff. I just want to make sure that rice is going to do what I'm wanting it to do. Wow, flavorful. Okay, I am going to go ahead and throw the last cup of broth in, and then I'm going to stir it. And I will see you in another hour. Okay, and now it is done. Okay, just spoon her up. I feel like I need more light. Okay, so we know that I do need more light. The sausage is done. The shrimp is done. Let me check the rice. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's what it looks like. And everything is done. Okay, friends. And this is shrimp and sausage jambalaya. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. I love you guys.